So apparently, Nikki get icky. Alright, remember say, I'm me and Nikki man, so I don't understand how Nikki get icky. Um, Nikki, show me icky. Sorry, what you make man get icky now? A beer bunny and give me. You cheat on me, Nikki?
I ain't cheating on you. I ain't even with your ass. Calm down.
Show them icky now?
Nope.
Show them a vampire bite. Come on. Nikki, come on. Show them a vampire
It's not
bite.
that big a deal.
No, it's cute.
No, it's not. It's
It's
trashy.
cute. No, trust me.
not
Alright,
cute.
when they normally let me come in the vlog. Let me tell you. People, I don't know Jamaican, right? When they normally get a icky, it means the man show ownership and property, right? So
Listen, I ain't no piece of property. What the hell?
let's say the man brand new. That's why the man brand her. That's why the man say no one brand her, Nikki.
It's not a brand, okay?
It's people tell her say it's a branding. The man are like it's like how me I come in a Nikki life now. It's a sign that for tell me say stay far. Right? Show them Nikki. Pretty icky. So what's going on today? How is school going? What are you trying to alright. You wanna go? Wait, you tired? Watch me. Yeah. So we're at school now. On break pretty much. I hope the lighting good here. Because sometimes I get good lighting, but they are troublemaking and everything. Look who is over there. Psst. Psst.
Oh.
I'm an ex-girlfriend that, future. What's this? Is it a Snapchat thingy? Okay, she read me.
It's creepy.
Alright. Let's speak
I like
Jamaican.
my English language. Thank you very much.
Come. Say Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Alright. Medea.
Medea.
Alright.
How do they mean?
I don't know. He be cursing me out right now. I
Right.
know
It's
You would
like,
never
hey,
know.
it's like, hey, what's up? That's what it's doing. Yeah, I'm Medea. Say Lego me head.
Did you say Lego my ego?
No, come. Say Lego me head.
Lego me Eden.
No, Lego me head.
Lego my egg. That's what I hear.
Come say it with me.
I can't get over what she said. Lego my
Lego.
ego.
Come say Lego me head. Exactly. Say it for yourself.
Lego
Lego
my
me head.
ego. Lego my Eden.
No,
You know I'm
Oh my
say
god.
Lego
Lego.
me
me.
head.
Ed.
Say that.
Lego
Lego
my
my Ed.
Lego me head.
Lego
Lego
me
my
Ed.
Exactly.
That's why I said it first time.
I know said
Oh
the
my
first
god.
time. That's what I said the first time. Lego me head.
First I heard Lego my ego, and then Lego my egg.
I got a Lego head.
That's what it sounds like.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah.
Going down the steps.
Nice on the floor. It's raining again. Every day it rain. Every day. Every day.
Bro, I bet you're like in love. I bet you sleep with that damn thing.
I just split it out when I need like, oh, watch out, lizard.
It's a gecko, man. Learn the difference.
No, it's a.
That's
a
a
croc-
gecko.
No, that's a croaking lizard.
That is
Yeah,
a
you
gecko.
can't see it. Can't see it.
It's a gecko.
It's a croaking lizard. No, I just take it out when I'm ready to. When I'm ready to vlog, I just flip it out.
Why don't you go up that way?
Oh, I gotta teach you how to open the door now.
You going in the rain, Nikki? You going in the rain? Oh, I'm not going in that rain.
Lego man.
The lighting good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Like bright
Yeah,
or
yeah,
dark?
lighting.
It's good.
Hey, you about to go to Stable Chase?
Hmm?
You about to go to Stable Chase?
Say about yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get a ride, man. I stay
Yeah.
out there. Alright, say no more.
Say hello.
Oh, he vlogging.
Yo.
Yeah, he be vlogging all the time.
Exactly, I'm lying.
I'm like, do you not see the selfie stick?
No, it's that's actually the lighting because our people heading home now.
Lego me.
Later, J Vlog, no, Lego me in.
I know, but I can't get over what she said.
Alright, say it no, me say it. Lego me.
in.
Yeah, Lego me. See him get it. Alright.
It's a stick. It's a